So what we got here is a freaking box, you know. Yes, fan, as you could have guessed. Like I literally, we're just gonna open it. It's Duracraft, and I literally don't have a single Duracraft product ever, like, in my collection. So we're gonna see what it looks like for you guys. Damn. It's not new in box, but it does come with its original box, which is kind of cool, I guess. It is a Duracraft 10-inch versatile fan. Actually, the box is in not that bad of condition. We're gonna see what it's got here. Powerful, quiet 2-speed. Motor is rain resistant. Powerful, quiet 2-speed motor is rain resistant. Window fan rated. Draws in fresh air or exhaust stale air. Use on desk, table, or floor for personal comfort. Use this versatile fan everywhere. Window, desk, floor, blah, blah. Ivory. Like, that is the color scheme. And it's basically the same stuff. On the back is French for some reason, instead of like Spanish. I don't know why they make it French, since it's like least common. Unless Duracraft is a Canadian brand, which I don't know. So here it is. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Like, way bigger. Wow. Hold on, let me. Here it is compared to a 9-inch fan. And this thing is absolutely tiny. Damn it, bro. Like, I even think the blade's bigger, honestly. So it's a proper 10 inches, which is honestly pretty nice. On the bottom, there's not much on the bottom. Not much info at all, actually. Give me 1 second. So if I'm not mistaken, the date code on this is 01, I suppose. I mean, I can't find anything. This is from 1998. this is actually, so this is not from '01. So whatever is on the UL sticker, I have no clue what the frick is. The box says 98. Yeah, I wanted a blue one, but the one I wanted got sold, and there was a different one that was new in box, never been opened, but it was for like 70 some dollars, which was ridiculously expensive. And I paid $54 for this and saved two whole dollars because this seller was petty. It's weird. It's got these weird things in the corner, which I don't know what they do. Anyways, let's plug this in and see if it works. Our kind seller and tape the cord on. I'm gonna get this stinking laptop out of here because it's like super annoying. I should have done this before recording. I didn't. Excuse me. Two speeds are off. It's pretty clean for, being used. So we're gonna start off on the high, or the HIG. See what it does. Is that all? Doesn't move a whole lot of air, to be honest. I think it's speeding up a little bit. It does carry quite far, actually. That does actually do a fair amount of air. I think this thing's supposed to be white. It's just not. This was slightly yellow. Am I gonna do much about it? Probably not. I guess that is as fast as it's willing to get. I'll move to the low. Actually, a pleasant change in speeds. I mean, pleasant. What am I saying? A very nice change in speeds. There's quite a lot of range to it. The one I wanted to buy had a white front half, a blue back half, and blue blades, and I really liked the look of it. But I waited too long, and now it's gone. That does move a respectable amount of air. I bring out my wind measuring device. We had an average of like 7.8, but it says max of 8 right now. Actually, do average. So yeah, an average of 7.8. It's just went back down on low and on high. I don't think I'm gonna get to 10. I have a max 9.8, so probably an average of 9.5 or that same speed. For the bearings, actually not that bad, to be honest. They're quite good. I guess this does move some more air than the rest of mine. I mean, if you compare, for the sake of time, I'll grab one of my other ones. This is not the strongest one, but since the one I showed previously takes like 2 whole minutes to get to speed, I just use this one. So for this cool one, which to be honest is actually kind of rare because my mom found this at the store, but I can't find it anywhere, like nowhere at all. The company I found only makes like tower fans or oscillating fans, pedestal fans, whatever. For this little one here, actually takes a minute to get up to speed. For some reason, high speed is last. I don't know why. It's getting there. It's rather slow. And this one doesn't carry as much as the Duracraft. But it's pretty quiet too. And for its max airspeed, I'm only getting 7.6. It's pretty crappy. Can't believe that thing is so bad. And I also oiled the bearings, and they still make some. I think it's just like the rotor rubbing against its thrust bearings. I think it's better now. So this thing's high, is this fan's low. And I'm like, this was produced in the 90s, and this is obviously not a sign of quality. This is not a quality product. The bearings are pretty good. I mean, the fan blade weighs about nothing. This one, though, it spins at a noticeably lower RPM, kind of maybe, but it moves a lot more air. About 2 miles an hour more. Also, I noticed that the blade is held on with a nut, which is actually pretty nice. Set them side by side. So although this one spins at a much higher RPM, I mean, it's medium. This one's medium speed is still higher than this one on high. It moves less air. So, but I will take this thing apart and give it some mechanical maintenance. It actually seems to be pretty well balanced for being like a piece of crap plastic fan. Like, there's literally no motor sound, just buzzing. yeah, that's all I got for you. So I will see you guys in the next video.